Hey, hey! We are going to do a restorative haircut today on me. I'm blowing it out with the Dyson Airwrap brush because it's fast. It doesn't necessarily give me a silky blow dry. I have 4B hair, but what it does do is dry my hair very quickly and into a nice rough blowout with no risk of heat damage because of the Dyson technology of being a thermostatic dryer. So this isn't a review of the dryer, this is a review of my haircut. My intention is typically after a blow dry and 6 or 8 weeks to trim my hair. But this time I have to do more. I've been wearing my hair in 2 cornrows to bed at night, and then typically while I sleep with the head wrap on, for 6 to 8 weeks I tried no head wrap, no satin pillowcase, just to show impact. And what you see here is what you get from sleeping in no satin, no protective covering on the head when you go to bed, or not cutting past the damage once and for all. So while the ends of my hair only need to lose 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch, you'll see I have this seam, this snaggletooth seam in the back of my head from sleeping on a cotton pillowcase with 2 cornrows. And it's quite literally just rubbed it all off. If I just trim 1/4 of an inch up at the tips, I'm not trimming the damaged area of this center seam. And that center seam will stay short and it will get wider and larger. So I've got to bite the bullet and go ahead and cut here. Say it with me. I am beautiful. I am not my hair. And because healthy hair grows, I can be sure that I will get the length that I desire. If I don't cut, I will be stuck with an area that consistently remains shorter and gets larger. Sit back and pontificate your hair and your life. Are there areas of your hair that are damaged that may be holding back the length of the entire head of hair? What might be the benefits of letting go to ultimately get the length that you want? What habits or tools need to be adjusted or invested in? Do you need regular discipline of deep conditioning? Perhaps with the flexibility of alternative styling help you? Is investment in a great satin pillow cover or satin sleep cap or tools that are more gentle on the hair a way to move closer to your goals for longer, stronger, healthy hair? Just food for thought. I'll see you in a couple minutes. Now I'm checking my length and feeling really good about the health of the hair at this point. Probably not gonna wear it straight because I don't love that look. But the pin curl worked out for me and my curly look never fails. You don't have to settle for a short area of the hair. The little short spot that we tolerate is just holding us back. Go ahead, cut past it and allow the growth. You'll be so glad you did.